This how to 1 minute will show you how to fix standby mode not working on iPhone iOS 17. So if your standby not working properly, follow these easy steps to fix this issue. The first solution is make sure to enable standby mode. To do that, go to your settings, scroll down, tap on standby, and make sure the standby option is enabled. And then check the issue. The second solution is open your control center and disable orientation lock. And then check the issue. The third solution is make sure to put your iPhone on a stand, and you have to put your iPhone on stand in landscape mode. So make your iPhone landscape, and after that you have to charge your iPhone. So plug in the charging cable, and as you can see, now the standby mode is working properly. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.